I just bought this train and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there.
2, 1, fire in the hole!
I'm full throttled right now.
You're done for!
Oh my God!
Oh, they're about to fall! In the pit. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at that. Why'd the bus think it could beat the tank?
I don't think it did.
12 industrial water containers and fill them with 20,000 pounds of water.
Bruh.
I'm really worried that Jimmy's TNT is gonna get through this.
Oh my God!
Oh, the catch!
Catch what? What are we doing? Goodbye. Oh! Clearly that mannequin didn't survive.
Watch out!
Oh! Into the field! There it goes! Oh, turn it around!
Oh, it's coming back!
Oh God!
It's coming back! The car's got a mind of its own! It's coming back!
That was the worst throw yet!
That was the best throw yet!
That was awesome!
Oh!
Oh my God! Oh, there's so many stacks!
We counted up the money and over $95,000 survived the explosion.
I just won $95,000! Congrats on the 95 grand.
Here it comes!
Oh my God! Whoa!